In this satirical cartoon, we see Pete Hegseth standing boldly. And there is the front lawn of the Pentagon as a drone. The building itself is a colossal drone, a mechanical beast cloaked in neoclassical architecture, with secret text etched across its stone facade like a prophecy. Rotor ports buzz along its edges, and glowing vents hint at a military engine that's no longer hidden, but airborne, active, and unleashed. Flanking Hegseth are 4 drone operators, young, focused, patriotic, each plugged into live feeds as if gaming the next war from a mobile command center. Drones hum in the sky like mechanical birds of prey, as Pete delivers his headline-grabbing line. Colonels and captains can now buy drones instead of waiting on DC. It's a mic drop moment, a jab at bureaucracy, a nod to battlefield autonomy, and a bold declaration of a Pentagon reprogrammed for speed, tech, and dominance. The satire hits hard. The drone is no longer just a tool, it's the institution itself. What was once fortress-like and impenetrable is now mobile, active. This is military policy turned myth. Technology that the Pentagon symbolizes also, hidden technology.